Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Abdul Hamid. I'm from Polytechnic Negeri Madura. In this opportunity, I will to present my research about the reduction of carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide by natural zeolites in catalytic converter of diesel engine. The introduction of my research is pollution can be defined as unwanted foreign object that contaminate the environment such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, and particles like smoke, dust, and fumes. One of the pollutants that can be harmful to human health is diesel engine emissions. Diesel engines are widely used in vehicles, especially vehicles that require large power. Therefore, to reduce the emission compound of diesel engine, it is used catalytic converter. In the previous study, Raja Chris Murthy described about the synthesized ZSM5 zeolite from coal ash and used it catalytic converter to reduce nitrogen monoxide content in gasoline fuel engines. The ZSM5 was doped with copper and cobalt. Kumar et al. Describe about have conduct research on the manufacture of converter catalyst using activated carbon filter. The results show a decrease in carbon monoxide content from 13 ppm to 11 ppm, hydrocarbon content from 19 ppm to 16 ppm. Naven Kumar et al. Create catalytic converter using monolith in diesel engines. The monolith of the catalytic converter was formed using ceramics and metal. So in this study, I will design catalytic converter to reduction of carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, where the catalytic converter was created using natural zeolite as the filter. The advantage use a natural zeolite has a large enough cavity or pore and surface area. The purpose of this study, number one, catalytic converter design using natural zeolite as filter. Number two, to determine the effect of catalytic converter on diesel engine emission. This is the research methods. Before natural zeolite using, natural zeolite were characterized use of FTIR to know about functional group and XRD or X-ray diffraction to know about PASO. This is catalytic converter design. Catalytic converter design are made from iron plate, hollow balls, were then placed inside the pipe. The hollow ball were coated with iron net and then filled with natural zeolite. Which was used as filter for diesel engine emission. The amount of zeolite put into hollow ball about 146 grams. This figure describe about diesel engine emission test. This figure is a diesel engine with single cylinder model 178F. Emission testing of diesel engine without catalytic converter was carried out for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, with the catalytic converter, it is carried out from 3 until 21 minutes with interval 3 minutes. This is the characterization result used Fourier transform infrared, and the figure so that about the wave number at 1020 indicate the internal asymmetry stretching vibration, and then the wave number at 794 indicates about external symmetry vibration, and the wave number at 693 indicate an internal symmetry vibration. Wave number at 60 indicate the presence of doubling of more dense material, and then the wave number at 466 it is indicate bending vibration of TO. This figure describe about XRD characterization result. The natural sample show characteristic peak of the modern zeolite at 2 theta around 20.81 degree, 23.55 degree, 26.62 degree, and 27.93 degree. This figure show that the effect of testing time to sulfur dioxide content. The sulfur dioxide content without catalytic converter was obtained at 158.8 ppm. Then sulfur dioxide content decreased along with the installation of the catalytic converter. The emission test was carried out from 21 minutes, and the lowest sulfur dioxide content was obtained at 9.7 ppm. This showed that the catalytic converter with zeolite as filter show performance to absorb sulfur dioxide. And the figure showed that the effect of testing time to carbon monoxide content. Carbon monoxide content from the test result without catalytic converter was obtained at 17.023 ppm. Then the carbon monoxide content decreased along with the installation of catalytic converter. The emission test was carried out for 21 minutes and obtained of carbon monoxide content around 98 and 62 ppm. This figure shows the amount of carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide molecule absorbed and on zeolite increase as the emission test time prolonged. The performance of zeolite on the absorption of exhaust gas was influenced by the emission test time. The maximum absorption was observed at emission time of 15 minutes. Thereafter, The absorption did not change significantly even when extending emission test to 20 minutes. Only a few additional amount was attained. Presumably, the pore of zeolites had been saturated by carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide molecules. The conclusion of my research is number one, the catalytic converter has been successfully created with a pipe made of iron plate, hollow ball, and attached to the exhaust gas line of a diesel engine. Number two, the catalytic converter with more than it type zeolite as a filter can reduce carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide content in diesel engines. Number three, the longer the testing time, the smaller of carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide content obtained. This shows that the more dense natural zeolite can absorb carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide molecules. Uh, the author would like to acknowledge the Polytechnic Negeri Madura for 220 DIPA funding. So many presentation from me. If there is a wrong, I apologize. Thank you.